What's going on, guys? John here, and it's been a while. The last regular video that we posted was in February, and almost immediately after that, my life got pretty busy, and combined that with feeling not really inspired to sit down and edit a whole bunch of stuff. We took a few months off from regularly posting, but with my last video that I put up, which was from my Prague trip in 2017, just about a year ago. We're now at this Open Up Railway restaurant. The beers come out on little train tracks.
I don't know what's real, but I really want to feel you now. Get a little too close, can I stop your heart for a moment? If I don't even care, is that really such a crime?
I'll link it above or below or at the end of this video with the end titles. I felt like I was having fun again, which was really good. Trying to just get back to, what made me start doing this in the first place, and that was about just sharing a story, having fun doing it as a creative outlet. So I feel like with the last video I did, really kind of recaptured some of that magic. So hopefully I can start posting some of this stuff a little more regularly. So I just kind of want to do this video to give you a bit of a life update, kind of let you know what was been going on since the last regular video that I posted. That last regular video was a trip to Jamaica that Emily and I took.
No, could you carry me back into your heart again? Could you carry me right into your distant hands? Could you carry me right back where we started from? Could you carry me?
And then since that week after, we had moved into this apartment which we're in now. And then that was the end of February, and then life got busy all the way till June when Emily and I got married. We immediately went on a 2-week honeymoon after that to Bali, Thailand, and Vietnam. I'm actually editing some of it behind me right now. That's probably gonna slowly come together, so I won't hold up any of these like regular posts just for that. I'll just release those like slowly over time, I guess. And then in more exciting news, by the time you're seeing this, we will probably be in Barcelona if my schedule goes to plan. Every single year we like to try to take a birthday trip because our birthdays are both in November, and this year it's working out that we are headed to Barcelona. I just wanted to make this video to touch base and say that I want to start posting again a little more regularly. It might not be week to week like I really envisioned, but definitely more than a video every 2 months or what it has been this past summer. So really hoping to get back into the swing of things with that. Alright, that's it. Probably some more exciting stuff next week. But, thanks for watching this, and I'll leave you with some B-roll on the way out. See ya.